फैशन सेंस से और एंटरटेनमेंट, और एक बहुत कम लोगों को पता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में भी आपने बहुत लीड किया है। इन दोनों को आप बैलेंस कैसे करती हैं, और एक आपके लिए फैशन है, एक अगर आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहें तो, एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एंटरटेनमेंट में आप कैसे बैलेंस करती हैं?
What was the two questions? One was mentorship.
One was in your personal,
Firstly, I think
passion
I'm
for
very,
fashion.
very happy and proud to be part of this venture. It's the first of its kind. और जो numbers हम इस बार हमने सुना, I mean, even I'm hearing it for the first time. It has completely bowled me over, and I'm so happy that I'm part of the fashion, climate that is changing, not just here but worldwide. To go back to ma'am's question over there about it being, let's not put a gender to the question. I think, in fact, I have a startup which is an online startup, and we are an entirely female startup, the label Life. It's for women, by women, run by women. So I'm very proud and happy to be part of a startup that actually pushes women from all walks of life. Coming back to you, ma'am, I think it's been a great journey. Yes, balancing has been between mentorship, between entrepreneurship. I think it has been a learning experience for me as well. I'm a work in progress through this entire process of doing this show. So I feel it has given me as well such an amazing vision out there to better myself or to have better opportunities that I can avail of. And I just want to thank everybody sitting at this dais for giving me this platform, which I can really, really make the most of. And if in our way of saying something and putting something out there, if we can actually help or push or kind of give that platform to so many startups, I think we're on the right track. Now, Sanjay ji, I think season 2 is very, very necessary. हाँ, थोड़ा और briefcase में और थोड़े पैसे जमा कर दो and let's start, right? Let's do it.
Look at the Heritage. She looks gorgeous. I'm so excited to present to you Heritage Bazaar, everybody. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Banana Labs, led by the visionary founders Mariam and Nuzhat. Everybody, where fashion meets India's rich and block printing heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Banana Labs. India's military uniforms. Vardi is more than clothing, it's a piece of history. Jai Hind! Thank you so much. Can we please, every woman who dares to own her own beauty and femininity, put your hands together for Love Kiki. Thank you so much. Sarthak Khandelwal. Please put your hands together. And tailoring and design. Boy, isn't that beautiful? Put your hands together for Line Tribe. Line Tribe, thank you. Thank you. Next up, please, yet affordable denim brand focused on retail empowerment in Tier 2 and Tier 3. Stylogs. Thank you, Stylox. Banana Club. Thank you so much, Banana Club. When we talk about love it, DMO Doll. Miss Sushmita and Mr. Mahesh Patel from Cloud Taylor. Thank you. Realistic visualization of outfits draped on online shoppers. Doppler. Heirloom quality pieces with traditional craftsmanship. Put your hands together for House of Armuz on stage. Everybody. Blending traditional craftsmanship with modern design and draping, we give you Banana Labs. May I also take the opportunity to call upon stage, next up in our guest jury, the jeweler extraordinaire, the diamond man, like I call him. Put your hands together for Golu Bhai Badalia, everybody. Managing director and founder of Golu Bhai Badalia Diamonds. Hello. How are you today? Welcome. And of course, the very dynamic, the leader. Truly admire her. Put your hands together for Miss Manju Yagnik, everybody, Vice Chairperson of Nahar Group. Put your hands together for Manju Yagnik. Look at you, Manju. How are you today? You look lovely. Okay, I love asking questions. You've met me on the show, so you know I'm not going to let you three go without asking something. I'm going to start with you, Sonali ji. You're looking lovely today. Quick question, from running empires to now being part of FEF, of Fashion Entrepreneur Fund, and the show. I want to understand your thought behind this decision.
See, actually, we are an NBFC, and Sanjay ji and our mission is same, to push to use the resources at right place. So what Sanjay ji is doing, I mean, it is a miracle for the fashion industry and a very, very big platform for the fashion industry.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Moving on to our diamond king. Can I please see the size of that diamond? Can you please show it to all of us? Just like flaunt it. Guys, this is the size of my diamond. 1 second. Like what? Like, don't make me feel bad about myself, Golu bhai.
Diamonds are girls' best friend. Can't feel bad about it.
Yes, Mr. Badalia, and you, of course, bring the diamond and the luster to pitch to get rich. I want to ask you, from being into diamond business and then to pitch to get rich, how was the experience for you?
Ma'am, the experience was superb. मतलब कहते हैं हमारे भाषा में कि ना जौहरी की नजर है ना बहुत पारखी होती है और मुझे this thing show me संजय जी मुझे मिले, he said that गोलू भाई you are a diamantier, we are into investments, तो कुछ एक अच्छा करते हैं. हाँ, अपने फैशन इंडस्ट्री से कोई जौहरियों को, कोई हीरो को निकालते हैं. I said let's do it because I think this is the future and I suppose it's spaces to go. मतलब you can't imagine कि ये आज start हुआ है and I'm 100% sure this is just the beginning. And I suppose after the show also we can say that we haven't even started yet. Next season will be much, much, much more bigger.
Absolutely. Next season shall be much more bigger. Coming to you, Miss Manju, you look lovely today. I want to quickly ask you, from real estate to reality TV, कैसा लग रहा है? How was this transition and how has this experience been for you?
Think it is great because I'm a co-real estate person, but fashion industry, what we have seen is not the same anymore. And it is now, as we clicked together, me and Sanjay ji, and we realized that we all are on a mission. And Sanjay ji has really taken up a mission, making entrepreneur, identifying global brands, and we have abundant talent in India. And after COVID, how the things reset up completely, and it need that kind of revolution what FEF have taken such kind of a challenge. And I have closely experienced because I was in episodes, so I saw the mentors how they are working hard on them and how the total FEF team is working on it. It's great, it's commendable. I think in coming time you will experience the global brands making right in the center stage.
Thank you so much. Can we put our hands together for our guest jury, everybody? Thank you so much. Golu bhai, I don't want to see your diamonds anymore. They make me feel bad about myself and my diamond. So we're going to exchange it later. But thank you so much. Can we give a big round of applause to our guest jury? I also want to introduce to you the dynamic, the amazing Miss Monia Pinto. We love you. Give it up for her. Give it up for Monia, everybody. Sam, hi. Give it up for him, everybody. A big round of applause. This wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we please have MM on stage? Moving on, the man with a vision, everybody, CEO of Dharmatic Entertainment, without whom this would not have been possible. Put your hands together for Apurva Mehta, everybody. to tell us his vision. I want everybody to make some noise, please.
Sorry, I'm just going to put this down. No, that's fine. Good afternoon and welcome to all members of the media. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being here with us this afternoon. What we're here for is exceptionally unusual. It's the first of its kind, and we're very thrilled that we were able to collaborate with Jio Hotstar for our vision on this. And thank you very much, Sushant. Thank you for always being so collaborative and continuing to do so with all kinds of content. Pitch to Get Rich is really India's first fashion entrepreneurial reality show. It's never happened, it's first of its kind. It's really to put fashion out there on the map, and maybe people who've had fashion startups or fashion beginnings are already forces of fashion online, etc. This empowers them to take it that much ahead. We have 30 to 40 crores on the table, and this entire show has been a blend of drama, entertainment, superstar presence, but also really about the fashion entrepreneurial fund. FEF truly has been empowered to take this forward, take not only fashion forward, but also do it so entertainingly through the lens of a reality show. The brainchild has been with Mr. Nigam. He has truly been institutionally involved in taking this brand forward, and all of us at Dramatic Entertainment are really, really proud that we were able to put this show together. But more than anything else, it's about the fund and it's about taking fashion forward. Akshay has been a huge supporter, and I would love for him to kind of take this forward.
I should take it forward
Yes.
now. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'll better go there because my teleprompter is there. नमस्कार, क्या हाल है आप लोगों का? And this doesn't work. No, ये खड़ा ही नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ, इसको ऊपर आना है. हाँ, अब ठीक हो गया. So, नमस्कार. मेरा परिवार और मेरे एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली यानी कि मेरी मदर इन लॉ, मेरी बीवी फैशन में बड़े इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं. मैं ऑनेस्टली अपने ब्लू जीन्स और वाइट शर्ट में खुश रहता हूँ, अपने ट्रैक पैंट में बहुत खुश रहता हूँ. लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊँ, एक बात पक्की है कि फ़ैशन की दुनिया में जितना टैलेंट है उतना ही फैसिनेशन मुझे जिस बात में हुआ है वो है बिजनेस ऑफ फैशन. मुझे नहीं पता आप लोगों को पता है कि नहीं कि साल का जो बिजनेस है, फैशन का बिजनेस है हिंदुस्तान का, पता आप लोगों को कितना है? 9 लाख करोड़. 9 लाख करोड़ सिर्फ फैशन में जाता है. अगर मैं कंपैरिजन के हिसाब से जाऊं तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री का जो बिजनेस है साल का, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, पूरे तेलुगु, तमिल, ये सब मिला के, हिंदी, गुजराती, भोजपुरी, करीबन 15,000 करोड़. 15,000 करोड़ और फैशन का बिजनेस है 9 लाख करोड़. यानी कि जो काम करण जौहर साहब करते हैं उससे कई उच्च काम हमारे मनीष मल्होत्रा जी कर रहे हैं, जो फैशन का इतना बड़ा काम करते हैं. सो कंग्रेचुलेशन मनीष. स्ट्रगल, जब से मैं तुझे जानता हूँ, तुझे तो कब से, मैं करीबन 40 साल से जानता हूँ, ये अभी तक स्ट्रगल ही कर रहा है. नहीं, आई थिंक आई नो यू बिफोर दैट. सो खैर, मैं यही कहूँगा कि FEF में मुझे इन्वेस्टर रहने का मौका मिला. ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम लिटरली एक फैशन ब्रांड की जर्नी स्टार्ट टू फ्यूचर सक्सेस तक लेके जाते हैं, और उसी जर्नी का पहला स्टेप है पिच टू गेट रिच. इट्स अ वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ अ काइंड शो. सिंपल है, आप अपनी एक कंपनी बनाओ, उसे पिच करो, 30 करोड़ के फंड हैं, उसे इस्तेमाल करो. आप जितना पिच करोगे हम उसकी वैल्यूएशन लगाएंगे. अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा, हमें अच्छा लगेगा तो हम आपके उस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, और आपका जो बिजनेस है, जो लोकल है, हम कोशिश करके उसे ग्लोबल लेके जाएंगे. एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन शो है. मुझे मौका मिला था तो मैंने एक माँ और बेटी का जो डियो था, मैंने देखा था कि उनके पास जो है 10,000 हैंड ब्लॉक्स प्रिंट्स थे, और उन्होंने वो उसके बारे में बताया. जो कमाल के प्रोसेस उन्होंने बताया वो कैसे करते हैं और कैसे सोच। फिर एक कमाल का मैंने देखा कि एक आदमी ने क्या किया, उसने आर्मी के कपड़े जो आर्मी वाले जो पहनते हैं जब पुराने हो जाते हैं, ख़राब हो जाते हैं, उनका क्या करते होंगे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो यूनिफॉर्म को लेके काट के उसके जैकेट्स बनाए, उसके कैप्स बनाए, ताकि वर्दी का कभी अपमान ना हो, और जब आप वो पहनो तो सोल्जर को इज्जत भी दो और हाई फैशन का जलवा भी देखो। सो ये कमाल की बहुत सारी ऐसी कमाल की चीज़ें हैं जो इस शो के अंदर आपको देखने मिलेगी। एंड आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉय दिस। एंड आप लोगों ने फैशन शो तो देखा ही, द ट्रेलर हैज़ बीन रिलीज। मुझे रिलीज करना है, ओके, सो ट्रेलर, लेट्स रिलीज द ट्रेलर। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड हैव अ गुड डे।
Can we have the trailer, please? Can we please request all of our founders and the 13 participants to join us for a photo opportunity, please? अच्छा ठीक है, ओके दोस्त। Sonali Dugar, can we please have you? Miss Manju Yagnik, can we please have you? Mr. Badalia, can we please have you on stage? Please give it up for our guest jury, everybody. A loud round of applause. Miss Sonali, Miss Manju, and Mr. Badalia. Thank you so much, founders. Can we please request you to take your seats? Thank you, founders. Thank you to our 13 participants. Thank you to our guest jury. Can we please request the angels to stay back on stage? Angels and investors to please stay back on stage. I'm sure जैसे मेरे माइंड में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं शो को लेके, अभी अभी आपने ट्रेलर देखा, आई एम श्योर हमारे गेस्ट फ्रॉम द मीडिया, हमारे जर्नलिस्ट, हमारे मीडिया फ्रेंड्स के माइंड में भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. संजय जी, मैं आपसे शुरू करना चाहूंगी, एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी. सो कैन वी कट द म्यूजिक? थैंक यू. ये इतने सारे सेलिब्रेटेड can we have chairs on stage? हम मीडिया Q&A शुरू करना चाहेंगे. We'd like to start the media Q&A. We'll open the house for media. Sir, please.
Hi, good evening, and we're very happy to answer all your questions that are related to our show and to the Fashion Entrepreneurial Fund. We have a request to keep our questions just to the topics at hand. Thank you so much, and we truly appreciate you being here with us this afternoon. Anyone have a first question? I'm moderating this, is just easy. I also feel a bit restless when I'm not hosting an event. Oh, I can see the curious minds really piling up. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Can she have a mic? Is there somebody with mics at hand? There. There. Yeah, we can hear you actually. What is your question, darling? Aage. Just keep 2 mics at hand, please, with somebody.
करण, मेरा सवाल आपसे ही है. मेरे पास ये बुकलेट है जिसमें आपका के जो इन्वेस्टर्स हैं और जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं इनकी पूरी डिटेल है. एंड 13 जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं उनमें 8 मेल फाउंडर्स हैं, 2 फीमेल हैं और 3 कंबाइंड हैं. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रही थी, और एज एन इन्वेस्टर भी हम देख रहे हैं कि फिर एक मलाइका हैं. तो मैं ये जानना चाहती कि फैशन को जो मोस्टली वुमेन से ज़्यादा रिलेट किया जाता है, बट जब एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात आती है तो क्या वहाँ पे थोड़ा वो पीछे रह जाती हैं? Do you think
जी
so?
बिल्कुल नहीं. In fact, I can give you examples of so many fashion startups, fashion brands that are led by women, are for women. अगर आप nationally नहीं देखो, internationally देख लो, तो I think some of the most powerful women are in fashion and beauty. और अगर हमारे अपने देश में देख लो, तो that percentage is growing exponentially as we speak. I really believe that it's no longer a domain of gender. You know, it's a domain of talent and vision. And I think वही हो रहा है कि जिसके पास वो excessive talent या vision हो, तो वो अपना fashion startup या for that matter कोई भी startup आगे बढ़ा सकता है. तो इसको genderify करना और generalize करना इस तरह I don't think is the point of today anymore.
इस शो में फिर हम ये गैप क्यों पा रहे हैं?
गैप तो आप हमेशा पाओगे, हर जगह पाओगे. कभी there are women that are doing much more than men are in places. And I think आपका नजरिया अगर उस तरह हो तो आप कहीं भी खोट ढूंढ लेंगी. Thank you.
हाय मलाइका, नीतू सिंह फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर यहाँ पे.
Hello, ma'am.
हाय. ट्रेलर बहुत शानदार है, अपने आप में एक यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर आए हैं आप लोग. उसके लिए पहले आप सबको बधाइयाँ. बहुत ज़रूरत है हमारे फैशन को एक ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे ले जाने की. हालांकि बहुत सालों से, और इतना बड़ा बिजनेस है जो अक्षय जी ने कहा, ये अपने आप में हमारे लिए भी सरप्राइजिंग है. उसके लिए आपको मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी. आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, आप एक फ़ैशन दीवा रही हैं, हमेशा लोगों को आपने इम्प्रेस किया है अपने फैशन सेंस से, और एंटरटेनमेंट, और एक बहुत कम लोगों को पता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में भी आपने बहुत लीड किया है. इन दोनों को आप बैलेंस कैसे करती हैं, और एक आपके लिए फ़ैशन है, एक अगर आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहें तो, एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड एंटरटेनमेंट में आप कैसे बैलेंस करती हैं?
What was the 2 questions? One was mentorship.
What was in your personal,
Firstly,
you know,
I think
passion
I'm
for
very, very
fashion?
happy and proud to be part of this venture. It's the first of its kind. और जो numbers हम इस बार हमने सुना, I mean, even I'm hearing it for the first time. It has completely bowled me over, and I'm so happy that I'm part of the fashion, climate that is changing not just here but worldwide. To go back to ma'am's question over there about it being, let's not put a gender to the question. I think, in fact, I have a startup which is an online startup, and we are an entirely female startup, the label Life. It's for women, by women, run by women. So I'm very proud and happy to be part of a startup that actually pushes women from all walks of life. Coming back to you, ma'am, I think it's been a great journey. Yes, balancing has been between mentorship, between entrepreneurship. I think it has been a learning experience for me as well. I'm a work in progress through this entire process of doing this show. So I feel it has given me as well such an amazing vision out there to better myself or to have better opportunities that I can avail of. And I just want to thank everybody sitting at this dais for giving me this platform, which I can really, really make the most of. And if in our way of saying something and putting something out there, if we can actually help or push or kind of give that platform to so many startups, I think we're on the right track. Now, Sanjay ji, I think season 2 is very, very necessary. हाँ थोड़ा और briefcase में और थोड़े पैसे जमा कर दो and let's start, right? Let's do it.
Hi, over here. मेरा सवाल एक संजय जी से है और दूसरा सवाल मेरा अक्षय जी से है. पहले संजय जी से पूछना चाहूँगा. सर, ऑब्वियसली हमारी ब्यूटीफुल एंकर जो है उन्होंने जब शुरुआत की थी तो ये कहा था कि मोस्ट ऑफ दीज कंटेस्टेंट्स दे आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री. और मैं वही सोच रहा था कि उस हिसाब से फिर शो का नाम हाउ टू गेट पिच टू गेट रिच की जगह पिच टू गेट मोर रिच होना चाहिए था.
नेक्स्ट सीजन वाला कर लेंगे.
Sorry, Mike.
Season.
हाँ जी, आपका नाम पे क्वेश्चन है.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि शो का नाम है पिच टू गेट रिच, लेकिन जैसे कंटेस्टेंट्स के बारे में बताया गया कि ऑल 13 ऑफ देम आर एस्टैब्लिश्ड फैशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. सो उस हिसाब से क्या शो का नाम पिच टू गेट मोर रिच होना चाहिए था?
एक्चुअली हाँ, दे ऑल आर नॉट एस्टैब्लिश्ड. उसमें से कुछ आइडिया बेस पे हैं, कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ ऑल. और मोर रिच तो अब वो लोग बनाएंगे 2 साल बाद अपना शो, वो मोर रिच होगा.
ओके, और मेरा सवाल अक्षय जी से है. सर, आपने ऑब्वियसली शुरू में जिक्र किया कि आपके घर वाले वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड हैं, दे आर मोर कनेक्टेड विद द फैशन इंडस्ट्री. तो वही पूछना था, जब पहली बार ये शो का प्रस्ताव आपके पास आया तो क्या घर वालों से ही डिस्कस करके आपने सहमति दी?
नहीं, मेरे पास भी थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग है, मैं अपने आप ही कर लेता हूँ.
That's it. Oh,
Hi, I have a question. I'm Mehul from Brute. First of all, great initiative. I'm so glad that homegrown niche brands are making it to the spotlight in India in terms of fashion. My question would just be that क्योंकि इतना बड़ा gap है, especially in India, in between creative, phenomenal avant-garde clothes and commercial clothes. So with this show being out there, how are you as angel investors and as mentors going to bridge that gap? Because we see that often in Bollywood as well as the fashion industry.
I think Manish would be the right person to take the blend of commerce and art. I think is something that you have
Fashion guy.
walked that beautiful line so beautifully, so I would love, yes, thank you.
So I think actually the gap will always be there because commerce will always take over, unfortunately or fortunately. Art is always there. People are opening up to it a lot, but ultimately it's like, it's also in movies, right? Like there are artistic films, but it's the commercial films that tend to take center stage. But I think it's changing. It's changing in the movies, it's changing in people's mind, and it's also changing in fashion. But still, if you see it worldwide, it is what is commercialism? Commercialism is clothes reaching to the entire world, having a large spectrum of different verticals. And I think that's what will always reach out a lot more. But I am seeing a lot more people open to wearing artistic things or being differently. So I think the gap is getting much smaller.
Hi Akshay, Sana here from India Today. Firstly, given how the perception is in the industry, the rich tag definitely goes well with you. But tell me, when you were working in this show, tell me what has been the biggest learning that you learned as a business person? Of course, you've been a producer, but when it comes to business. And the second question will be, since you have a young daughter also.
one by one,
Okay.
one by मैं पिछला वाला भूल जाऊंगा. हाँ तो आपका प्रश्न.
What has been your biggest business learning?
Business learning and this whole show.
Yeah.
Well, it was not learning. I mean, मैं इस show के अंदर इसीलिए आया था because I knew the figures and facts are very huge, and why not? And when the show came, Karan was there, Manish was there, all the बड़े-बड़े दिग्गज लोग से साथ में थे, and इनकी जो planning थी वो बहुत बड़ी थी. जिस हिसाब से आपने show देखा, and मुझे ये बहुत idea अच्छा लगा था कि नए नए जितने भी कंपनीज हैं उनको मौका मिलेगा आने के लिए. एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड, चाहे वो मेरी इंडस्ट्री में हो. आई हैव वर्कड विद न्यू पीपल एज अ डायरेक्टर्स ऑल्सो. 23 न्यू डायरेक्टर्स आई हैव वर्कड विद, 26 हीरोइंस आई हैव वर्कड विद. दे आर न्यू, दे बीन. सो आई लाइक द फैक्ट दैट हाउ, एंड जैसे मैंने कहा कि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने देखी. जैसे वो मैंने आर्मी मैन के बारे में बताया आपको. ही इज़ हियर ओनली समवेयर. वर्दी जी कहाँ है? वर्दी जी, ये इनका ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन आइडिया मुझे लगा. सो देयर आर सो मेनी लर्निंग थिंग्स विच आई हैड. सस्टेनेबल क्लोथ्स के बारे में मुझे पता चला. I came to know about that. Manish told me so many things about it. So it was a lot of learning experience I got in this.
Yeah. And also when it comes to money, Akshay, because you have a teenage daughter, if you had to explain money and business and the importance of money basically to a young person, how would you define that?
How do I explain money
To a young person.
I think मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है समझाने की, किसी को समझाने की, किसी को सीखने की, क्योंकि सब अपने अपने दिमाग से. देखिए सभी यहाँ जितने भी बैठे हुए हैं सब पैसा कमाने ही आए हुए हैं. आज आप भी अब मुझसे प्रश्न पूछ रही हैं, आप इतना कुछ चला रही होंगी, वो पैसों के लिए ही कर रही होंगी, मज़े के लिए तो नहीं कर रही होंगी. So there's nothing that I don't have to teach anybody. Everybody, it's important, but the most important thing more than money is the peace of mind, which I go for more than money. I work hard, I work for money, but at the same time, if I have to compare it, if I have to go for what, I would go for peace of mind.
Hi Sushant, straight. This is Vinamru from First Post. So my question to you is, it's a fun trailer, but what do you feel makes this show stand out as compared to the other business shows that we have seen, like a Shark Tank?
How many of you in the room consider yourself to be entrepreneurs or budding entrepreneurs? Okay, I saw some hands go up. How many of you in the room consider or paid attention to what you decided to wear in the morning today? Some hands didn't go up, but I'm pretty certain everybody in this room, including myself, probably paid some attention to what we decided to wear. Or in my case, my partner probably decided what I was going to wear. We're all fashion experts. We consider ourselves fashion experts, and it just makes for a great story. It's the perfect combination of creativity, of drive, of passion. And when you think of how fashion meets commerce, it's actually a much bigger ambit than what you framed as business-focused shows. I think we have a fantastic opportunity as Jio Hotstar with the reach that we have to take something that is already present innately in us. We are a heritage of fashion. I mean, India produced the first cotton fabrics in the world. This heritage goes deep, and we have the opportunity and the responsibility to make that mainstream. So that's exactly what the show is about. Very excited.
अक्षय जी, आपने बताया स्टार्टिंग में कि आप अपने ट्राउज़र एंड टी शर्ट में बहुत ही खुश रहते हैं, लेकिन वो ऐसा अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपके अलावा वो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है जिसे आप मानते हैं कि इनका ड्रेसिंग सेंस, इनका फैशन सेंस बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है?
कौन से एक्टर का फैशन सेंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है?
आपके हाँ,
सब लोग अपने अपने हिसाब से फैशन करते हैं. रणवीर सिंह अपना करता है, शाहरुख खान जी अपने करते हैं, सलमान खान का अपना खुद का स्टाइल है, मेरा अपना खुद का स्टाइल है. तो सब ऐसा बोलना बहुत नामुमकिन हो जाएगा कि किसका बहुत बढ़िया है. सब अपने अपने हिसाब से अपने अपने स्टाइल से करते हैं. दैट्स इट.
ओके मनीष जी, हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप इंडिया के सक्सेसफुल डिज़ाइनर हैं, तो आपके अलावा जो नए यूथ आ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में एंड इंडिया में, उन सबको क्या कुछ टिप्स देंगे आप?
बहुत टिप्स दिए इन सबको मैंने थ्रू आउट द शो। अभी वो मुझे कह रहे थे कि आपका टिप बहुत काम आया, मेरे हस्बैंड भी चेंज हो गए हैं, अभी किसने मुझे कहा। तो मैं टिप्स ही देता रहता हूँ दिन भर काम में भी।
We have last two questions, ladies and gentlemen, from the house.
Hi guys, this is Kavisha Singh from Bollywood Helpline. You can see me right here. I have two questions actually, one for Sanjay sir and one for Akshay sir. So Sanjay sir, the trailer looks amazing. First of all, congratulations to the whole team. My question is, this is one of a kind of its show. I mean, merging fashion with entrepreneurship and then putting it into a reality show looks like a process. So how do you come up with this idea?
अभी आपने बोला ना गैप, इंडस्ट्री में गैप है, तो आप देखिए ना, इधर मनीष यहाँ पे हैं, या आप कोई और ब्रांड पर बात करें जो एक टियर 2-3 सिटीज में है, बट इसके बीच में 70% भारत है। उनके लिए फैशन का कुछ भी नहीं था, एंड आई एम श्योर आप सहमत हैं इस बात से हमारी। तो ये उस गैप को फिल करने के लिए, ये लोकल को ग्लोबल ले जाने के लिए, तो ये इनिशिएटिव है पूरा। और किसी को कन्विंस करने में कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी, क्योंकि सबको, जैसे अक्षय सर ने बताया भी आपको, ये इतना अच्छा बिजनेस है कि अपने आप में आई थिंक फैशन IPO बनेगा इंडिया का ये।
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir. Akshay sir, my next question is to you. Sir, as you said कि, sir यहाँ पे, this side, you can see my hand. As you said in the starting, Twinkle मैम अपने आप में ही एक फैशन दीवा है, एंड उनका भी टॉक शो बीच में आया था जहाँ पे वी सॉ यू। तो यहाँ पे इतने स्टार्स हमें ट्रेलर में दिखे, तो क्या ट्विंकल मैम को हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर?
नहीं जी, उनका डील अमेजोन के साथ है, जियो के साथ नहीं है।
Hello everyone. We have one last question.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा 2 सवाल है। मेरा नाम विशाल अंबानी है। सबसे पहले अपूर्वा जी आपसे सवाल पूछेगा। अपूर्वा जी, आपका फैशन को लेके क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है? यू हैव बीन द बैकबोन, एंड टेल अस समथिंग, फैशन आपके लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट रखता है?
Well, when you're working with Karan, you're always updated on fashion. So I think we are very lucky. We have the first base knowledge of what's working, what's not working, what's looking good, what's not looking good. And then you have Manish Malhotra. So I think we are in very good company. But that aside, I just want to quickly take a moment to say that, this is a very special show. And we are really thankful to Sanjay Nigam for coming with this concept to us. And we really believe that it's such a wonderful opportunity to give all these new entrepreneurs a chance to present their ideas and have an expert team of judges, as you have seen on this table, who can guide them and allow them to grow bigger, larger. So it's actually such a fantastic idea. Very, very thankful to Sanjay Nigam for reaching out to us with this, and of course Hotstar to Sushant for supporting us on this whole endeavor. And it truly feels nice to be able to do something that allows you to give, to redefine fashion, redefine and give a new voice and meaning to entrepreneurs who have this opportunity now, thanks to the show.
अक्षय सर, मेरा सवाल एक और आपसे है। मेरा नाम विशाल है। सर, हमारे जो प्रधानमंत्री है वो अक्सर फैशन को लेके काफ़ी सारी चर्चा करते हैं। मेड इन इंडिया और खादी जैसे जो क्लोथिंग होते हैं वो इंडिया में काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस होना चाहिए। तो ये शो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होगा मेड इन इंडिया एंड खादी जैसे कपड़े को लेके?
बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हैं इसके अंदर, जैसे मैंने बताया सस्टेन, हाँ वही मैं बात है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। वैसे तो आपको बताऊं, पूरा शो ही मेड इन इंडिया है, और जितने कंटेस्टेंट है सारे ही मेड इन इंडिया है। आइडिया, मैं तो सच्ची बताऊं, जब ये पूरा आइडिया मेरे सामने आया था, मुझे ये आइडिया इतना कमाल का लगा कि हम फैशन में भी एक शो बनाना चाहते हैं जो लोगों को ला के उनको आगे बढ़ावा देना चाहते हैं। ये एक मतलब, ये तो मुझे लगता है साल में एक बार करने वाले। मैं तो इनसे कहूँगा कि साल के अंदर 2 शोज ऐसे आने चाहिए, और लोगों को मतलब ला के उनको हमारे हिंदुस्तान को आगे लाने की कोशिश करना चाहिए। बिल्कुल, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री फैशन को लेके बहुत ही पर्टिकुलर हैं, एंड ही कीप्स ऑन प्रमोटिंग मेड इन इंडिया। सो दैट इज व्हाट द होल आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस इज।
If it's all right, can I ask you guys a question about the show?
हाय सर, इधर एक डायमंड किंग है जिन्होंने 20 कैरेट का स्टोन पहना है, क्या मैं उनसे बात कर सकता हूँ? द डायमंड किंग, जिन्होंने 20 कैरेट का स्टोन पहना है। सर प्लीज,
Yeah?
आपसे मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हूँ, आपकी जर्नी जानना चाहता हूँ सर। बस ओके, थैंक यू सर।
Hi guys, if it's possible, I just want to stay on the topic of the show and ask you guys just one question about the show. What is the one thing across the panel, just one thing you guys will look at while pitching for a particular brand? You know, what makes a brand special from all the other brands? Just one thing, all of you guys, because this will probably help the next round of pitches.
I think Malaika and Manish have been actively part of the
I
process.
think, well, you know, I was going to say that actually the earlier question was also very nice. I feel fashion is always looked at sometimes a little frivolously. Sometimes it's looked at as, oh, it's only about partying, or it's about looking good, or it's all about fashion show models, all of it. But there's a lot of hard work. And I think this show makes it very real, because all the contestants in this show are hardworking, the underdogs, and some of them are already doing so well and want to do better. So I think fashion is getting even more real, because now you're understanding, and even the audience wants to know कि ये कैसे बना. People now are interested in the story of a garment. They're just not interested in the garment. They want to know कैसे बना, कितने कारीगरों ने काम किया इस पर, कितनी embroidery थी, कितना time लगा. So, I mean, I'm at my work at 9 o'clock in the morning. And so it's a lot of hard work. And I think this show puts that out. And all of them stand for that. And I think that is very important to, you know, put across. Because I feel otherwise we see fashion as कि बस ये fashion show हो रहा है, सब चल रहे हैं, पर उस पर इतनी मेहनत है.
Also, I think people just concentrate on clothing. I think that's not what fashion is all about. Yes, clothing is a very integral part of the whole business. But what we've shown over here is besides clothing, it's every aspect of fashion. So whether it's footwear, whether it's accessories, whether it's sustainability, I mean, it's vegan clothing, it's everything, every aspect which people are not very aware of, because you only kind of see the first thing, which are, you know, your clothes, what you wear. So we've concentrated on so many little aspects over there, which you said, there are so many things that actually go into it, whether it's a price point, whether it's whether it's fabric, whether it's your actual pitch of what you want to sell. Because we don't know till you actually come out there and give us your best pitch. So if you ask me, I think pricing plays a huge part of the whole business. And if you can actually conquer that, if you can actually be able to give that to your audience, and I think you've done something right. So watch the show to actually see the various aspects of what we've created and what everybody on this dais has. We have a fantastic crew that's actually made this show, that tirelessly have done such a super job. So a huge shout out to each one of you, Monia, your entire team. And I feel, once again, I just feel so happy and proud to be part of this show. It really is super.
And thank you. That's a great note to end this on. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. And we look forward to you watching our show, Pitch to Get Rich, which streams on Jio Hotstar from the 20th of October onwards.
Thank you. Whoa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being such a lovely audience.
Thank you, friends from the media. Thank you so much.
Akshay, thank you for the chairs.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Mark your calendars. Pitch to Get Rich, produced by